Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny, Thanksgiving with Friends, Part 2. This one it's Thanksgiving, not Truth Day. And look at this beautiful polish. Oh, I love all of these. So we've got our first coat, and here we go with the second coat. And here it's so pretty. And here's my swatch photo with top coat. Stunner! Joey got a turkey stuck on his head. And here we go with our first coat. This is like a mauve purple with like silver in it or something. Another favorite. I love that she played with the different finishes. And here is a second coat of Joey got a turkey stuck on his head. If you guys aren't Friends fans, just come back another day. But this is all about Friends. How pretty. The meaning of the box is threefold. And look at this. This blue with all this yummy in it. Her imagination just blows my mind with polishes. She's just so good at it. Here we go with our second coat. Oh, it's so pretty. And here's the swatch photo, of course, with top coat. And then the Moist Maker. And this one really surprised me, because I wasn't thinking I was going to dig it so much. But by the time I got the two coats on it, I was like, oh my. It's got such, I don't know, man, just colors bouncing out of it all over the place. It's so pretty. Very nice. Beautiful. Ethereal. Look at that. And the last one is, this is all a Moo Point. And this was the bonus polish. If you ordered the collection, you got this polish for free. You can buy these all on her website. You don't have to buy the whole set. You can buy whichever ones are your favorites. And here is the swatch photo. And there you have it. I do hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.